singers, let's get ready for our buzzy bee rhyme. Now, let's have a quick little chat about how we make honey. Here we go. Our little buzzy bee comes along. Buzz. Can you buzz with me? Buzz. Have you got your bee wings? Buzz. Oh, and he finds a lovely big flower. Buzz. And he gets lots and lots of pollen. And he flies back to his... Go on, tell me. What is it? Yes, his beehive. He flies to the beehive with all his pollen and he knocks on the door. Buzz, buzz. Uh-oh, there's a problem. He's had so much pollen, he's grown too big to get in. Into the emergency exit, little bee. Buzz. And in he goes, everybody. Can you remember what he makes inside the beehive? Yes, honey. Put your hands up if you love honey, everybody. Oh, I love honey. Honey on toast, everyone. Right, now some of you will remember our bee rhyme. And I've got my bees. Can you show me 5 fingers, everybody? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Now, next, I would like you to make a beehive with your hand like that. Scrunch your fingers up. That's it. Well done. Right, let's do the beehive rap, everybody. Here is the beehive, but where are the bees? Hiding away where nobody sees. Watch and you will see them come out of their hive with a 1 and a 2 and a 3, 4, 5. Buzz. Keep buzzing, everyone.